So in the previous part we have seen how to get our missing frequency from the median. So in this section we're gonna deal with how we can find out the missing frequency with the help of median. Okay. So here is the question statement is given. From here the question statement is starting. So the given question is, if the median is 32.5, that is given. So and here is the marks that is given in the tabular form itself. You can get like horizontally, I have written it vertically because I am solving the question just to show you the problem. So here's the marks is given. It is given in interval form like the previous one. This type of series is called individual series. Okay, so it is given like the previous question, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and total number of frequencies are 40. And here the other data is given. So here I am not writing that question mark sign. Here I am writing f1, f2, just like that. So number of student frequency, that is f, that is f1 5, 9, 12, f2 3, 2, and total number of frequency, it is also given in the question and it will be given in the question, that is 40. So like the previous question, we first have to mark down the total number of class, total number of frequency. What is given in the total is your like first point to respond, that it is the total thing. Okay, we have to take care of it. Then there is like median, you have to take care of that, and then we just have to follow some formulas and the stuffs. So here the table you have to make, that is mark this will given in the question. So it is given in the question, you have to write cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? So you have to add all the frequency, like there is only f1, so I am writing f1. In the next class when we are going, so it will be f1 plus 5, so it will be added. After that it will be added, so f1 plus 5 plus 9, so it will be like f1 plus 14. Okay, so this is called cumulative frequency. This, then this will be added, so it will be like f1 plus 26, then f1 plus f2 plus 26, then f1 plus f2 29, then f1 plus f2 is equals to it's like 31. Okay, so at last what you get is the total number of frequency. This is also total number of frequency and it is given in the question. So what we can add, you have to remember it like this is the cumulative frequency, so we have to add into the next section. When we are transferring from one class to another class, we have to just add the frequencies, that is cumulative frequency, and the last frequency we get is just equal to the total frequency given. So here the total frequency in the question, it is given the total frequency is 40. In your question it will also be given the total frequency, so we just have to make it same, like the both values are same, just we have to solve it. So what we can write is f1 plus f2 plus 31 is equals to nothing but 40. So f1 plus f2 is nothing but 40 minus 31, that will be 9. So first equation we got is f1 plus f2 is 9. It is the first equation. Okay, similarly we have to find the second equation and solve it around. Okay, so let's see how we can find out the second equation. So here we are finding it from the median. So we have also seen when the singular data is given, when there is only one part of data is given, how we can find out. And here it is when the simple data is given, here it is given like ranges. Okay, so as it is given in form of ranges or intervals, here is the formula to do it. It is median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, Don't worry, I will write the formula again and you will get a good grasp on it. So it is the formula that is L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So what is L? L is lower boundary of the median class. Okay, so what is the median class? So the first step you have done, what is f1 plus f2, it is done. Now if we see, the median is 32.5. okay, it is given 32.5. so in what class it will came? So it will came like 30 to 40. So it is the class where 32.5 will be there. So it will be in this class. So we can mark this class is the median class. This class is called median class. This class, okay, because this median value is in this range. Okay, so what is the lower boundary value of this? That is 30. So LB, I mean L is, it's not Lulu Bulu, it's 30. And number of observation, total number of observation is 40. Then cumulative, I mean cumulative frequency of the class, I mean what you have to mark the class that is before this class. I mean there is the median class, here is the median class. CF means you have to mention the class that is before the median class, that is f1 plus 14. okay, so CF is f1 plus 14 and F is frequency required in the median class. So what is the frequency in the median class? That is 12. You have to write the frequency of the median class, that is 12. Only thing you have to remember, that is CF, that is what it is. It is the previous cumulative frequency of the median class. What is the cumulative frequency? That is f1 plus 14. okay, so you got it. Then we have to put this value in the mean. The mean value is also given, then solve it around. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. So median is equals to, so let me do the calculation part into the next part. So you got the idea. If you like don't watch the next part of the video, it's completely fine. Let me tell another part. I will do the calculation in the second part. If you don't like want to do the calculation on your own, you can do it on your own, then catch up with mine. Okay, so there is another point you need to understand, that is if the interval is like given like that, so this is called a non-continuous series. The previous was like 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So it is gonna repeat itself, but here it is not repeated. Okay, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So here it is not repeated. So we first, this is called non-continuous series. This is called non-continuous series. We have to make it like continuous series. Just remember, if there is, if you can see, there is gap of 1. okay, like from 21 to 20 there is like one gap, 31 to 30 there is like one gap. So what we have to do, you have to minus 0.5 and add 0.5. like you have to minus 0.5 from the lower bound and add 0.5 on the upper bound, and do it same for the other things also. Or if you can remember like this, whenever this thing will came, we will do this type of operation, because generally uncontinuous series is just like that. You just have to minus 0.5 on the lower bound and add 0.5 on the upper bound. So we're just gonna do that. So it's like 35 minus 0, this and this, so it will be like 10. Now it is like this class interval, this and this. So now we can see, we make a non-continuous series to a continuous series. Now we can solve it as wherever, whatever the thing we want. It will be same for any mean, median, mode, any problem you see there, there is non-continuous series, you gonna change it into that in this series, and you gonna solve it. If there is any another number, just do it in this process only, and do the whole process as same. Like, it will not change anything. Like, in the previous lecture what I have taught, and in the futures lecture what I will taught you, this concept will remain same for everything, every problem. If there is mean, median, mode, any problem, if this non-continuous series is given, not with this number, like there can be 50, 60, 70, 80. If this type of the like non-continuous thing gonna happen, like uh, then we have to first make it into the continuous series, and then we're gonna solve it. Okay, I hope you got it.